So here we are, Julio's Kitchen, Vancouver. Chicken tostadas, crunchy chicken tostada. Okay, here we go. We got everything. I'm gonna show you how to plate this dish. Very simple. I hope I'm not missing anything. I wanna literally just go step by step for those that are following my channel. Okay, see, we're gonna create the dish. Don't worry, my hands are very clean. So you grab the tortilla, and I already had this refried beans going from yesterday. That's gonna be another of my shows, how to make bean soup, and then from the bean soup refried beans. See, you can just do something like that. Put it all over the tostada, and then we're gonna add our chicken. Remember, the chicken, it was pretty basic, just onions, saffron, and you don't want to overload your tostada because you don't want to put too much in it. That's about it. Now, just add a little bit of lettuce, as much as you want. See, bunch of it. There you go. It's looking nice. All that chicken flavor in there. Now, here on this side we have our avocado. Nice. This is a very good topping. You can you see, there we go. Oh, put it like that. You can top it up with some cream. Look at that. That's a restaurant style, Julio. And our tomato sauce. In my future shows, I'm gonna show you how to make the tomato sauce. I already have made because I've been cooking. So the tomato sauce, just sprinkle on top like that. And there you go. This is your tostada estilo Julio's Kitchen. Now I have two types of hot sauce. This one is very nice. You can like put it all over if you like spicy. If you don't, it's fine. And I'll see you next time on my next show. I hope you like my tostada. And I hope the music is not too loud. But look at that. Tostada, Julio's Kitchen. And I'll see you until Sunday because I'm gonna take a break. Kitchen needs to take a break. I made this early. I'm gonna upload the show. This is curtido. Anyways, see you next time. Thank you for watching.